Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering both devices and ensuring the remote has fresh batteries. This prevents dropouts during programming. Once done, turn your TV or device on and lower the volume so accidental signals don't blast sound. Make sure you know whether your Philips remote needs a code entry or a code search method. Find the code list in the manual or access the remote's code search button. Begin with the remote facing the device, about 6-12 inches away, so line of sight is clear for signals. Now you'll either input a manufacturer code or run the auto search routine. Press and hold the device key, TV, DVD, then press setup or code search until the indicator lights. If entering a code, type the 3 or 4-digit number from the list. If using auto search, press play or channel up repeatedly and watch the device for a reaction. When the device responds, typically turns off or mutes, press OK or enter to lock that code into memory. This confirms pairing and ends the search. Finish by testing all major functions: power, volume, input, guide, or menu to confirm full control. If some buttons don't work, try the next code on the list or run the auto search again, because some devices use multiple codes for different functions. Make sure to save any successful code if your model requires a save step. If pairing fails, replace batteries, perform a remote reset, or reconfirm you selected the correct device type. These fixes resolve most common pairing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.